guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Sikar with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. Sikar is very famous for its art and culture. It's also an historical city with forts and havelis. We have also provided additional information about Sikar in our description box below. Without wasting much time, let's get into the hotel details. Hotel Fortune Blue. This is a very smart choice of hotel for travelers looking out for a comfortable stay in Sikar. It is easily accessible to the city center, which makes it easy for you to explore the tourist attractions and activities. The hotel provides top-class amenities and services. They have a beautiful rooftop swimming pool. This hotel also has an in-house banquet hall where you can host any kind of celebrations or events. They have an in-house restaurant which serves Indian and Chinese cuisine. They also have a 24-hour room service facility. Apart from this, the other facilities that the hotel provides are a 24-hour front desk, a free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. All the rooms here are very comfortable and spacious, and they are very well equipped with a flat screen TV, a private desk, a bathroom and a wardrobe. The pricing of the room starts from 1800 to 7000 rupees and you can select them according to your budget. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Royal Inn is next up on our list. This hotel gives a very royal and luxurious feelings to their guests. The hotel is about 5 minutes away from the railway station. This hotel is also very famous for organizing events and festivals for entertainment. They have an in-house tour desk where you can plan your daily tours to explore this lovely city. Each and every room here come with a private balcony where you can enjoy the stunning views of the city. They have an in-house restaurant, a coffee shop, a bakery as well as a separate dining area. Now the rooms here are priced at around 2500 rupees onwards. As always, we have provided you the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Park Avenue is next up on our list. For those of you looking for a value for money hotel, this is a great choice of stay. The hotel is located in the city center, which makes it easily accessible for you to explore the city. The hotel provides quality services and the staff here is extremely friendly and helpful. The hotel has an in-house fitness center. They also have a banquet hall where you can host any kind of events or festivals. They provide a 24-hour front desk facility, a 24-hour room service, free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel, and also have daily housekeeping. The rooms here offer comfort and convenience at a very reasonable price. The pricing of the hotel starts from 2000 rupees onwards, and you can also check out the links in our description box below. Hotel Celebrity is next up on our list. For those of you visiting the city on a budget, this is one of the most budget-friendly hotels popular amongst the tourists. The hotel has a number of on-site facilities. It has a 24-hour front desk facility, a 24-hour security service, 24-hour room service facility and also an in-house restaurant. The rooms here are very spacious and comfortable and they are very reasonably priced. They price at around 1200 rupees onwards. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Athia Resort is next up on our list. This is again one of the most reasonably priced hotels in Sikar. The hotel provides some on-site facilities. It has a free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel, a 24-hour front desk and 24-hour room service facility. They also have a beautiful garden in the hotel where you can just sit and relax and unwind from the day. All the rooms here are very well equipped with an AC, a TV, a closet and also a private bathroom. The rooms here are priced at around 1300 rupees onwards. Make sure you check the booking codes in our description box below for your direct booking. If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button and also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities. Hotel Rasina Hill is next up on our list. This hotel is about walking distance away from the main Sikar junction. The hotel is also extremely popular amongst the tourists. Since it is not very far from the junction, it makes it accessible for you to explore this lovely city. The hotel has an in-house restaurant which provides Indian and Chinese cuisine. They also have a 24-hour room service facility. The hotel provides comfortable beds and all the necessary amenities that a modern-day traveler requires for a pleasant stay. The beds here are extremely comfortable and cozy. The rooms also have a separate seating area. The rooms here are priced anywhere between 1500 to 6000 rupees, depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Ashoka is next up on our list. This hotel is located in the heart of the city. The main Sikar junction is only a minute away. The best depot is also very close at a walking distance. This hotel provides some of the on-site facilities like a 24-hour front desk facility, a private parking, CCTV, a restaurant, a separate dining area. The rooms here are very trendy and have light wall shades and lovely furnitures. The pricing of the rooms here start from 2000 rupees onwards. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Pink Shark is next up on our list. This hotel is located on the station road, which makes public transport easily accessible. This is an economic property that offers polished and visual unusual pleasure for their guests. The rooms here are very well equipped and elegantly designed with beautiful interiors and also very good quality linens. The hotel also has a 24-hour front desk facility and a room service facility. The rooms here are priced at around 1,000 rupees onwards. You can also check out the hotel booking links in our description box below. Hotel Eros is next up on our list. This is one of the most budget-friendly, popular hotel in Sikar. This hotel is about 5 minutes away from the Sikar railway station and also 10 minutes away from the Sikar Museum. The hotel has an in-house restaurant. It provides 24-hour room service and also serves Indian and continental food. Each and every room here is very spacious and it's also very well equipped with a TV, a closet, a desk, a makeup mirror and a private bathroom. The rooms here are very well maintained and it's also very reasonably priced. They're priced at around 900 rupees onwards. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. If you have visited any of these hotels, please share your experiences in our comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. We wish you a safe and a pleasant stay. Bye bye.